Hi everyone, this is Sophia. In this video, I am going to plan for Q3 of 2021 and to set up my physical Kanban. In this digital bullet journal, I designed some extra pages without any predetermined rows. These tabs, numbered from 1 to 5, lead to those extra pages. Each extra page has 4 subpages, like this one. I use the first extra page for the quarterly Kanban planning as well as the archive Kanban boards. This is the cover page. I want this page to be simple yet still be able to provide enough visions for all 5 categories that I need to tackle each quarter. The first one is my YouTube channel. The second category is my Foenix studio. The third category is my personal finance. The fourth category is my writing. I have a bad habit of rewriting a scene again and again to make it perfect. So the visions I have for my writing is to just finish the first draft by the end of this year, regardless of the quality. The fifth and final category is for my day job. Before getting into Q3 planning, let's take a look at the archive of my Q2 Kanban. This digital version is the copy of the physical Kanban on my wall. I just want to have a record to look back. This Kanban was divided into 3 horizontal sections: to do, doing, and done, and each category's goals would be moved according to that order. I had completed quite a lot of projects for both my Foenix studios and my YouTube channel. I finished the digital notebook Dusty color collections with 6 different colors, and I have started working on the digital bullet journal for Dusty lavender color. The rest of the other 4 colors for the same digital bullet journal design and their sticker books would be pushed to Q3. In Q2, I posted almost every week. It was an experiment to see if this posting schedule would work for me. I have been working on this video since the end of June and continue with the editing process during the first and the second weeks of July. There are a couple of walkthrough videos that I had planned to film and post during Q2. I would like to film them once the digital bullet journal Dusty collection is completed. I didn't write anything during Q2. However, I did learn how to use an app called Obsidian to organize all my current notes. With this app, every single note could be connected to many other notes with clickable links. Seriously, I am so glad that I discovered this app. I already imported most of the notes from other programs such as OneNote, MS Word, Google Doc, and on papers into Obsidian. I am so ready to continue the brainstorming process. The notes and other data for other categories such as YouTube will be imported into Obsidian during Q3 as well. I didn't study much during the later half of May to the end of June, so that's my Kanban for Q2. Now I started to plan for my Q3 of 2021. First, I'm going to write down the ultimate goals that I want to accomplish at the end of Q3 for each category. For my Foenix studio, I want to finish the designs of the digital bullet journal, Dusty Colors collection, together with their sticker books. Ideally, I also want to finish listing them on both the Foenix Studio website and the Etsy store by the end of September. This goal is actually from my YouTube channel. I want to post at least one video per month. For my writing, I am aiming to complete the brainstorming stage. I know spending more than 3 months just for the brainstorming stage is very long, but since I am a complete newbie, I can't really measure how long it would take me for each stage. Not to mention I need to run the studio at the same time. For my day job, I want to complete at least one module of my self-learning course and 3 hours of my company's official training. For my personal finance, the ultimate goal for Q3 is to find a simple yet functional way to track, measure, and manage my financial activities. Next, let's plan for the smaller and more detailed goals of each category for each month. I hope I could finish the design for all 5 colors of the digital bullet journal, including their digital stickers, within the first 2 or 3 weeks of July. I suspect that I am overestimating my ability at this point. However, since I am going to reduce the tasks for other categories, I think that I could actually achieve this goal. I also add the second goal here, which is more like a nice to have one, just in case I have any free time. If this is not doable, I just simply move it to next month. For my YouTube channel, I decided I would not post once per week anymore. While it looks very accomplishing at the end of the month, I felt this posting schedule was not working for me. The editing process for each video took me from 3 to 4 days to finish. In turn, there was not much time left for me to do anything else, such as creating as many products as I had planned for my studio. I honestly was mentally and physically exhausted after each editing process. So starting July, I would post only 1 or 2 at most videos per month. If I have more time, I may post more than that, like 3 or 4 videos per month. That would be the best case scenario. While the quantity reduced, I think I would be able to produce better quality video with this new posting schedule. For my writing, I need to complete setting up my master vault, aka folder. Technically, it's already done. However, I still need to figure out the best metadata system for each note so that I could keep track of the data easily in the future. I think I could continue my writing in this new app and system around the last week of July. If my digital bullet journal collection is done, if not, I will start in August. For my day job, I will start to study the next module around mid-July, I think, and I will complete 1 hour company's training on the last Friday of July. For my personal finance, I actually have no idea what are the specific steps to take. I am just jotting down some random thoughts here. I would need to gather as much info as I could by the end of July. In August, I will start to study how to create ads in Facebook and Google, but I only study in depth if the digital bullet journal Dusty Colors collection is done. If the digital products haven't been done at that time, I would just learn a basic of e-com advertising enough to start running ads in September. In ideal situation, when all my products are listed for sale on both the studio website and Etsy store, I could start to think about what is the next collection. The plan for a YouTube channel in August is exactly the same as in July. I would post one Land With Me video for sure, but the fate of the other videos are unknown. I think my brainstorming stage would end in August. If it happens, then I will start the outline stage. My learning plan for August is the same as in July. I will continue with one more module of self-learning course and 1 hour of official training. For my personal finance system, I will create a test system in August, even if I may not have enough information yet. If this is the case, I have to go with trial and error process rather than keep doing more research. If everything goes as planned, I will start advertising in September. The safer plan though is to start the ads in November or December, just in time for the Black Friday sale. The other thing that I hope could be done by the end of September is to finish the design, or more like the prototype of the new collection. The real designing stage will start in October, but in the end, this new design is not the priority, so I might postpone it until 2022. Nothing changed for my YouTube channel's plan in September. Same thing for my writing. I will continue to either brainstorm or outline my novel. September will be the month to implement the new system to see if it would work. Then some adjustments and changes would definitely be needed. In case you don't know, FIRE stands for Financial Independent Retire Early, and Cost FIRE is a less extreme version of the FIRE plan. Based on my situation, income, and lifestyle, I found Cost FIRE make more sense to me than the original FIRE plan, and this is my plan for Q3 of 2021. It's time to write all of them down to the sticky notes. Each color represents a category. This is more for the aesthetic look than the actual function. If you choose to use Kanban, using one color of sticky notes for everything still works just fine. On the Kanban, you only need to draw some lines to separate each category for easy tracking. I need to take out the old notes first. I want the board completely empty to start a brand new quarter. My Kanban for Q3 2021 is finally done. It's a really long video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. I hope that you enjoy my planning process. See you again next time. Bye now.